Millie, ready?
Yes.
Hey, Millie.
Wrong one. Over here. There you go.
I'm every dog's dream.
You're my dream.
Oh, you're the best.
It's good peanut butter.
It is good peanut butter.
Peter, wanna try some?
Pierre's like, fuck off.
Wes is gonna like. Wait, isn't there a peanut butter solution?
Yeah, there is, but I don't know the recipe.
Oh man. I feel like this is it.
Having dogs lick my head.
Yep.
We're always gonna have such shit later. Hee hee.
Yeah. Y'all looking up in y'all ear.
Just get in between all of them hair follicles. Is she sitting pretty? Because that's all I can see her is sitting pretty.
She'll occasionally look at the camera. Came with the show, Nicole.
I want to put it on the internet ASAP.
What's that?
I want to put it on the internet ASAP.